paddy works on the railway. In 1842 from Hartlepool I moved to Crewe, found myself a job to do, working on the talking to my baby on the telephone, using all the night news, got to wear the right shoes, engine overheating, but my foot's hard down. Been so long since I got to hold her, need to feel a soft hair on my shoulder. Motorway patrol cop hanging by the truck stop, waiting for my lover coming down the line. Slipping on the back road, run through the crossroads, never be a problem, pay that fine. Boys don't see me when the weekend come, I got my paycheck, I'm gonna spend some. She loved me, man, you gotta see it when she danced that line. Boy, this girl got me in a tailspin, I gotta make it last till our next weekend. Oh yeah. Well, I'm going to the roadhouse. Going to the roadhouse. I'm going to the roadhouse. Going to the roadhouse. Going to the roadhouse. Going to the roadhouse. I'm going to the roadhouse. Well, I dreamed that I died and my soul rose to heaven, and I have to tell you to my surprise, now I'm not the devil but never an angel. St. Peter was shining like the 4th of July. We got heavenly things, got a harp and some wings, I hope they fit you right. So I shook the hand of God's fisherman. Welcome to paradise. Oh, welcome to paradise. So I wandered around to see who was in town, 'cause my mama told me the good die young. And there in the corner Elvis was playing, and all of my heroes are singing along. Janice and Jimmy, Buddy and John, tub with Mother Teresa, Da Vinci, Mandela, and JFK. And I'm in the bar with Haile Selassie, just drinking mojitos when Pete came to say, there's been a mistake, must have been that damn snake, and the gates he opened wide. Ah, but everything's fine, happens all the time. Welcome to paradise. Welcome to paradise. Give my regards to those fortunate sons. So when angels call from celestial halls to raise you in God's light, there's that fisherman and a big brass band. Welcome to paradise. Welcome to paradise. Welcome to paradise. First time that I saw you, I knew my life was changed. Wrote you a lullaby. No hesitation, how you would cling to me. No need to question, no asking why. I promise to stay fast with you and warm you like the sun. I love you, I love you, now and forever. Careless celebrations, a free bird in summertime, playing gypsy melodies. Overnight sensation, you blew into my life. My eyes have opened, and you're all I see. On the battlefield, I'll be your shield until your battle's won. I love you, I love you, now and forever. Oh, the farthest star might disappear, the sky could cry a billion tears, but none of that could be more than you mean to me now. So when the ocean's rolling, I'll walk the harbor wall. My light will guide you home. If other friends should fail you, I'll hold you close to me. I'll calm the waters, though demons wait below. I'm ever here if you should fear, your race is almost run. I love you. All through every mile, you know that I'll be there for you, my son. I love you. I love you now and forever. I love you. I love you now and forever. In 1841, me corduroy breeches I put on. Me corduroy breeches I put on to work upon the railway, the railway. I'm weary of the railway. Poor Paddy works on the railway. 1842 from Hartlepool I moved to Crewe. Found myself a job to do, working on the railway. I was wearing corduroy breeches, digging ditches, pulling switches, dodging hitches. I was working on the railway. 1843 I broke my shovel across my knee. Went to work for the company in the Leeds to Selby Railway. I was wearing corduroy breeches, digging ditches, pulling switches, dodging hitches. I was working on the railway. Yep! In 1844 I landed on the Liverpool shore. My belly was empty and my hands were raw with working on the railway, the railway. I'm weary of the railway. Poor Paddy works on the railway. In 1845 when Daniel O'Connell was alive, Daniel O'Connell was alive and working on the railway. I was wearing corduroy breeches, digging ditches, pulling switches, dodging hitches. I was working on the railway. In 1846 I changed my trade to carrying bricks, changed my trade to carrying bricks to work upon the railway. I was wearing corduroy breeches, digging ditches, pulling switches, dodging hitches. I was working on the railway. Yep. In 1847, poor Paddy was thinking of going to heaven. Poor Paddy was thinking of going to heaven to work upon the railway, the railway. I'm weary of that fucking railway. Poor Paddy works on the railway. I was wearing corduroy breeches, digging ditches, pulling switches, dodging hitches.